Flashlight. Say, always say, okay. Pero you're not to listen, Ate Jinky. You say lang, okay. Pero you're not to listen naman. Say, okay, you're listen to Ate Jinky. Do you understand, Gabriel? Ha? Pag sinabi ni Ate Jinky, makikinig. Magsasabi ka nga, nakikinig ka ba? Sabi mo, okay, pero hindi ka naman nakikinig. Di ka naman nakikinig pag sinasabi natin, sabi natin, Jinky, what? Just wait. Wait muna. Mag-antay. Hindi nagmamadali. May lakad ka ba? Bakit ka nagmamadali? Mag-antay ka muna. Pag sinabi natin, Jinky, it's game. Okay? Nakikinig ka ba? Wait lang, ha? Game na. This is persimmon. What is this? What is this? Wala akong sinabing kumuha. Just wait, Gabriel. Just wait. Yeah, wait. Wait this. Persimmon. Hindi ko alam yung Tagalog eh. Persimmon. This is persimmon. This is persimmon. Persimmon. This is persimmon. Persimmon. Mon. Kahit mon na lang. Mon. Persimmon. Fine mo. Ay, wala ako sinabing tutok na naman. Dikit mo na, ilagay mo na. This is orange. Orange. Say, orange. 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 Ilabas mo. Range. 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 Orange. Orange. This is orange. You put the orange. Where's the orange? Alam ko to. Alam ko Tagalog nito. Fine apple. This is piña. 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 This is, what is this? Look at that. Piña. Yeah, piña. How about grapes? Ano ba English ng grapes? Ano ba English ng grapes? Basta grapes. 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 Look at Ate Jinky. Look at that. Grapes. This is grapes. Can you put the grapes? Saan dapat ilagay ang grapes? Naantok ka? Pag nag-aaral tayo, antok-antok ka. Go! Lagay mo na! Talaga paingayin pa talaga niya. Papaingayin niya. Watermelon. Watermelon. Water. Asan yung melon? Watermelon. Asan yung melon? Yung watermelon. Melon! Yeah! Watermelon! Watermelon! Very good. Kahit hindi masyadong naiintindihan, pero alam mong, what's that? Ayusin mo lang may paglagay ay kailangan palaruin. Ilagay mo lang maayos, hindi na kailangan ay nako. This is watermelon. How about strawberry? Strawberry. It's strawberry. This is strawberry. 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 Very good. Oh. Put strawberry. How about banana? Banana. 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 What's that? Banana. Banana. Yeah, you put banana. Oh, where's the apple? Apple. Ulit. Apple. Very good. You put the apple. Very good. Peach. 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 Yeah. Peach. Uy, kulang. Oh, just wait. Just wait. Oh, cherry. Cherry. Hey, cherry. Very good. Cherry. Oh, ayusin mo. Ayusin mo paglagay. At kailangan talaga, may palaro na naman talagang ganyan, no? Ilalagay lang naman, eh. Ilagay mo na ng maayos. Oh. Carambola. Carambola. What is this? Carambola. Carambola. Oh, ilagay mo yan. Unahan mo pa ako. This is pear. Pear. Yeah, pear. Very good. High five. 2 5s.